Okay, so first we are going to talk about animals, okay? But the idea of today is to listen, okay, and see how much you know about the topic. So you will have to listen carefully. First, we're going to talk about animals in general and animals who look for medicinal plants to get better, right? Like we have to go to the doctor and we buy medicines. Yes, okay, Sergio, some people go to the hospital. Yes, Maria, yes, exactly. But animals also, maybe sometimes they need to go to a veterinary. We need to take them. But in general, animals who live in the wild, they have to look for their own medicine, right? So we're going to listen to a video clip about this later on, but the idea of this is to listen and learn some new vocabulary. We're going to go through the vocabulary first so you know it and you have an idea. Later, I'll give you a handout about it. Okay, so let me share first the, um, the presentation I have so we can go through it. Let me go there. Okay. Okay, so we have here a map. Yes, it's a map where you can look, where can you see monkeys in Costa Rica? Wow, lots, right? A lot of places. Yes. Look, in the north side, that would be Guanacaste and all the North Pacific. Then we may see some in the Central Pacific and in the South Pacific. Yes. Okay, look how many places, right? And of course, I'm showing you this because the video we're going to look at, it's about monkeys, okay? So we can see monkeys looking for medicines or maybe just in the nature, but not only monkeys, there are other animals that look for natural medicines in order to feel better, right? Now, what are some of the vocabulary we need to learn? Let me tell you. Let's go through it first, okay? Illness, okay? Somebody knows what illness is? Yes, okay, Mark. Yes, illness is a disease, right? When you feel sick, when you have something. Uh-huh. Okay, yes, like um could be a headache, but could be also a bigger, yes, like cancer. Okay, yes. Now, injuries. Uh-huh. Can you pronounce it? Excellent. Injuries. Okay, very good. Now, injuries is when you hurt yourself, right? There is an injury when you fall down and hurt your arm. And animals have these same things, right? Now, we all know what medicine is, right? We need to um, have medicine when we are sick, when we have an illness, or when we injure ourselves. Yes, Mark. Excellent. Very good. Can you pronounce it again? Illness. Yes, very good. Okay, now, when we take medicines, what happens? Yes, Maria? There is an effect. Very good. Excellent. Okay, yes, there is an effect because the medicine starts to cure us. Well, natural plants help in the same way to animals. Okay, they know their instinct, okay, shows them which plants they have to use. Now, nutrition. Ah, yes, nutrition is very important for everyone, right? For animals, for people. We need to eat correctly. We need to eat healthy. And what happens or how do we know when we are sick? Ah, yes, symptoms. Okay, there are some symptoms, like, for example, when we have a cold, what happens? Yes, Mark? Yes, you sneeze. Okay. Yes, Maria? You have a running nose. Uh-huh. Okay. What else? Okay, you may feel headache or body pain. Mhm. Okay, and then how do we know about medicines or about the animals? People investigate, right? Or we need to investigate sometimes if something is good for us. Now, let's look at these ones. Okay, Mark, can you say it? Can you pronounce it? Condition. Yes, very good. Excellent. Now, Maria, can you pronounce this one? Bacteria. Very good. No, not bacteria, bacteria. Yes, excellent. Okay, now, what about this one, Sergio? Observe. Very good. Yes, now what are you doing? You're observing my presentation. Excellent. Very good. Now, and nature, okay, everything of the wild provides all these to the animals and, of course, provides this to us through medicine. Excellent. Very good. Yes, excellent. So let's go and let's listen to the video clip I have for you. Pay attention to the words, pay attention to the vocabulary, okay? Okay, let's go there. Okay, let's go there. I lost it. Okay, yes, it's here. Okay, let's go. Let's listen, okay?
Treatments for all of us. The problem is how to identify the wheat from the chaff, or rather what's medically useful from the vast forest floor. Now scientists say the solution may be simply to watch and wait for the native experts.
Pascal is eating ferns.
Pascal is a male from one of 2 chimp communities scientists from Oxford University have been observing in Uganda.
He has an injury on his hand at the moment.
In a jungle where only the fittest survive.
Okay. So we listened. Yes. Okay. Did you like it? Yeah, it was interesting. Thank you, Maria. Yes. Very good. Now, do you think that animals in Costa Rica feel the same? Yes, Sergio. Yeah, probably yes, right? They also look for natural plants which are medicine for them. And probably some of these plants become medicine for us, right? Yes, very good. Now, with the handout I gave you that has the words that we just practiced before the video clip, we are going to look for them and you are going to practice them in groups, okay? Let's divide the group in 2. And then I want each group to find out more words. Now, I'm going to show you a reading I have for you because I want you to read it in silence and then try to look for some of these words and more that you think that are related for this, because we're going to use them, pronounce them, and then use them in our conversation, okay? I am going to share the screen and show you the reading. Okay, let's go here. Okay, and we are going to go here. Okay, so I want you to read it a little bit. Read the first paragraph in silence. When you read, please raise your hand and let me know. Okay, excellent. I'll be waiting for you. Something you don't understand, we will look at it when you finish reading. Okay, let's go.